Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is DJ Cat, and today we're back with a topic that's been a long time since I've spoken about, and it is Splassive. And first of all, it has relaunched. This is version 2. Everything's back up and running, but obviously with a less price because of they used the leftover liquidity, which is fine because I'm actually surprised how there's a lot of people who are supporting this. People are still trusting the devs, and that is quite normal to me. You know what I mean? But at the same time, if you do not trust this dev, that's also expected. And I'll be telling you guys exactly what I'll be doing here. And as you guys can see, the good part of this is that your splash it has been daily accumulating this whole time. The contract was on pause, which is beautiful and that's good. And that's something that I respect because a lot of people would take this chance and sell. Because if you go back to the well and you see the price, how it started, it was just under $12. And obviously, you'd expect a sell off, but not as much happened, which is good. Just a small, a dip from just under $12 to like $8. That's expected to happen in any launch, to be honest. And yeah, now in the tab, I have this. And what I wanted to do in this video to show you guys that I am choosing to compound this, right? Because I'm not giving up on Splassive, but at the same time, I'm choosing to compound this. But I want to let you guys know this is my choice. You guys might, change your minds because what? Oh, I need to power my battery as well. But I will not be putting fresh capital in Splassive. This is something I've already put in my money. I've been compounding and I'm quite happy with how much money there is. As you guys can see, 1.4K, which means I'm making around just under $30 a day. I'm just going to keep compounding. Maybe in the near future when I build more trust of Splassive, I'll buy. But right now, there's no point for me to buy to put in fresh capital because technically this is the price that I've entered in the beginning of Splassive. I joined a little bit late where it was, I didn't join the pre-sale. It was at $8 roughly, and then I joined it at $12 as well. So I don't see this as a point of entry, in my opinion, unless you're just totally new to Splassive, then sure. Because, obviously, guys, my tap deposit was worth like, I don't know, 6-7K before in version 1, but that's fine. You know what I mean? We take a step back, we'll take 2 steps forward. But I want to know what you guys think about Splassive. This is my normal update. I respect that the fact that they still kept accumulating, and that's what I did. As you guys can see, I've recompounded it. I'm going to keep recompounding for the next probably 2 months. You know what I mean? I'm not going to rely on making money off of this for now. So I'm just going to compound it strictly, and hopefully we'll see some price action going up. I don't know. Let me guys, what do you guys think? But definitely, it's nice to see this back. It's nice to see the devs, not completely go away after an unfortunate exploit happened. They fixed it and they did their next best thing to do, which is fix it, relaunch it, and let people come back to Splassive because a lot of people love this, and that's what we're all here for. You know what I mean? I liked it as well. And yeah, guys, that'll be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to watch my other videos in my channel. I made an update video about baked beans. If you guys already know, are you late to baked beans? Well, here's my answer in the top left or top right. Click it and subscribe for more crypto videos. My name is DJ Kat, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.